So here we are at the Vintage Retreat tiny house, what the Snyder family has called home for the last 18 months. We've lived in 4 different parks, 4 different cities, and it has served our family of 3 very well. When you open these French glass doors, you see this slide out here that holds the sofa, and then you walk into the kitchen here. It's a galley kitchen. So you've got a full-size refrigerator, full-size dishwasher, farm sink, and this pull-out butcher block. It's on rollers, so you can move it anywhere, eat at it with bar stools, or use it for food prep. Electric glass cooktop and a convection oven. Lots of storage, a lot of clever storage here. It comes with a 42-inch screen TV. This is the loft up here that holds a queen-size bed, but it can hold up to a king. That's the steps up. Got the built-in bookcase there. The sliding barn door there with the logo on it. Another built-in bookcase there. Okay, let's walk into the bathroom. A standard flush toilet, 48-inch antique vanity with marble top, and this beautiful vintage stained glass. Hi, Jim Maris. Hi, Cindy Kilgore. Then here's the full-size washer and dryer stackable. Then you've got the tiled surround shower tub combo, jacuzzi tub with that backsplash. This is where we put our dirty clothes, and then our toiletries on here and linens. And this can be yours today. It would be with all the furniture and furnishings, except for personal things like pictures there and stuff. It would be $116,000, and it can be yours today for $98,000 with all the upgrades that you see here. That's a 2x8 closet, and then extra storage space on the end that we put brooms, mops in, and then office supplies. It has the glass French door here, or sliding door, that leads out to the deck. And both decks, they're 6x6. There's the cat. And they come with the house, the 2 6x6, not the cat, the 2 6x6 decks. So, another sliding barn door here, and little headboard and bookcases, and these are storage on both sides of the bed. So, thanks for watching the tour. Bye.